Without permission.
You like niggers?
Yes, I love niggers.
Nicholas! Shut up!
We are human, or are we dancer? What the?
Are we human? Oh, we dancer!
She's retarded. I'm sorry.
Wow! I'm pissed now.
All right, turn it
You
on.
may not see it. No! I'm pissed! You're mean. I don't want to talk to her anymore. This is my video saying that I don't talk to her anymore because she says mean things about me to my face! In the face!
Because I'm Brooklyn.
I'm Brooklyn. Want to see my belly button? I don't really have fat, so I can't do it. Hang on, let me move my fat so you can see it. Okay, I'm done. Oh, I think I'm so hotter than Stephanie. She tries to look as hot as me.
This camera sucks and her haircut suck like her. But I could be as skinny as her. Look at me stretch out her clothes.
I'm so skinny. I'm skinnier than Stephanie. She has fat thighs. My thighs are so much skinnier. And Sam, he so likes me. He gave me his jacket. Sounded like Flapjack. Okay, bye-bye. Bye! Bye!
Hi. Alright, this is Sam's ritual dance. Watch this one, Nicola. Oh, fuck. Is it the same one?
Go. You see the red dot on the floor, or the ground, I mean.
You can't even do it.
Why didn't you get them all? Why, you should have
You only got
together.
one.
Ah, that hurts. That is painful. Oh, another one went. It's quite painful. Coffee from going now? Not gonna lie.
That hurts.
Yeah,
My eyes.
I can't like even look at that.
Do your dance.
Aww. Aww.
Aww.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
Yes.
Liar!